You love K dramas, right? What if I told you anime can make you feel that too? Not that flashy action kind. I'm talking about stories that pull your heart in, you break your heart and put it back together again. Today I will take you 9 animated K drama fan will fall in love with for their emotions and unforgettable characters. So starting with the number one is Komi Can't Communicate. Imagine a girl so shy that even saying hello feels impossible. That's Komi. But she's not weird. She's just trying to connect, one small step at a time. With the help of a kind classmate, she decides to make 100 friends, and along the way, she discovers something even more powerful than friendship confidence. If you love, it's okay to not be okay. Original story or any story about healing and self-acceptance. Komi's quiet journey will stay with you long after the last episode. The second one is Paradise Kiss. This one's for the dreamers and anyone who's ever felt lost about who they are. Yukari Hayasaka is a high school student pulled into the glamorous but unpredictable world of fashion. Passion, heartbreak, and creativity, she learns what it means to truly live for herself. Stylish, emotion, and deeply human. Think she was pretty, but with more art, more self discovery, and a soundtrack that feels like late night nostalgia. Number 3 is My Little Monster. Shizuka is a definition of book smart, emotionally clueless. Haru is wild, unpredictable, and absolutely not her type. And still, something about their chaos just works. They challenge each other, fight, laugh, and grow. Not perfectly, but realistically. This is that classic opposite attracts energy we all love in K dramas. The kind that makes you yell at the stream but keeps you watching because you need to see how it ends. The fourth one is Special A. What happens when your lifelong rival is secretly in love with you? That's the heart of Special A. Hikari Hanazono spends her life trying to break Kai, whether it's in school, sports, or life itself, completely unaware that Kai's been in love with her since day one. It's charming, competitive, and filled with those little romantic moments that feel so K-drama. The glance, the tension, the show realization that maybe it's been love at alone. So the next one, fifth, is Lovely Complex. Has one that will make you laugh, cry, and probably call your best friend after. Lisa so tall, Atushi short, and everyone loves to remind them of it. But we need the teasing and awkward moments. Their friendship grows into something neither of them expected. It's sweet, funny, and painfully relatable, especially if you are ever felt insecure about things you can't change. This anime proves that love doesn't follow rules or appearance. It just happens beautifully and unexpected. unexpectedly. Number 6 is Monthly Girls Nozaki Kun. You know those K dramas where the girl confesses and the guy completely misses the point? Yup. Multiply multiply that by 10. Shio likes Nozaki, but when she confesses, he thinks she wants to help him with his manga. Turns out he's a secret romance writer who doesn't understand romance at all. What follow is a hilarious and oddly touching story about how people express love differently. If you enjoy banter, subtitle, affection, and characters who feel so real it hurts, this one's for you. The next one, 7, is True Beauty. You might already know this one because True Beauty started as a webtoon and become a K-drama. Jung Yoon Lim uses makeup to hide her insecurities after being bullied. But when two very different boys start to see her, the real her is forced to confront what beauty truly means. This is a story about identity, confidence, and the courage to be vul- vulnerable. Whether you watch the anime or the drama, Jugyeon's story reminds us that beauty isn't what people see, it's what you finally learn to see in yourself. The eighth one is Toradora. Torodara love stories start with fireworks, others start with misunderstanding and insults. Ryuji looks scary but has the softest heart. Tiaga looks cute but is a warming storm of emotions. Together they try to help each other win over their crushes only to realize their heart have already made a different plan. Torodara is everything we love about K-dramas. Layered emotion, growth, and the moment when love quietly sneaks up on you. The ninth one is Rascal Does Not Dream of Bunny Girl Senpai. Don't let the title fool you. This isn't a comedy about bunny suits. It's about pain, dignity, and the invisible struggles we hide. My Sakurajima, a former actress, starts to literally disappear. No one can see her except Sakuta, a boy who's been through his own trauma. Together, they try to understand a mysterious phenomenon called adolescent syndrome, a reflection of the emotions scars people carry. So, that there is the list that you get. Just if you have ever watched, just comment so everyone let know that how it was. And after watching, meet you tomorrow.